Morning, Officer. All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna open it up. Hey, Mr.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, or wearing white t-shirts, no hoodies as well, and no speaking while the judge is speaking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Esta corte está en sesión. Mientras que esté en sesión, asegúrese de que su micrófono esté en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado, esté debidamente sentado derecho. En esta corte no se permite estar manejando, hablando, comiendo, bebiendo ni fumando. Esté en todo momento vestido apropiadamente. No se acepta ningún tipo de capucha, gorro o nada, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Por favor, no interrumpa mientras que el juez esté hablando. Gracias.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días, señores y señores. Yo voy a tratar de hacer esto de la manera más eficiente y más rápida posible y voy a estar llamando a sus casos en el orden en que ustedes se han registrado.
Like the judge. He said, I'm trying to get y'all in and out as efficiently as possible in the order you can.
All right, Mr. Lois, we hear you need to mute yourself, please. Good morning to you. All right, City of Detroit, are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Nakia Garrett, case number SP 1795474, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 179549551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garrett.
Unmute yourself, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Nakia Garrett.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial, Mr. Barry. Ms. Garrett, an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Garrett, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Garrett has a valid driver's license, Mr. Barrett. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. This is City of Detroit versus Demetrius Garrison. Case number, oh no, strike that. Mr. Garrison, your matter is set for trial. If the officer's here, we can go. Your matter is set for trial. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock until 9:30. And if the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does appear, we will get you into a breakout room with an attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Faith Lagon, case number SB 178-28891. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lagon, please state your name for the record.
Yes, Faith Lagun.
All right, today, it says today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Mr. Lagon. It says today is the date and time set for review. I don't know why it reads that. Let's see. Yeah, it should not read that. Let's go for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. This is the first time, I believe, no, if Ms. Lagon was here the last time, it seemed like she lost connection. Ms. Lagon, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, there's an allegation of fighting with Ms. Lagon, all right? All right, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lagon. You let us know what you wanna do when you come out, all right?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. On the telephone at 313-974-8417. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Roderick Darnell Green.
Roderick Darnell Green.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Gloria Grayson.
Gloria Grayson, good morning to you. Miss Grayson.
Good morning.
I believe you're represented by Mr. Overstreet.
Yes, sir.
He was here, so he'll be back shortly, I'm sure.
Could you call me out, Your Honor?
Not yet, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sorry.
Just want to step away for just 1 second. I'll be right back.
iPhone, good morning to you, and you press, unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please.
Good morning, Brianna Little.
Brianna Little, good morning to you, Ms. Little. Your matter doesn't start, that's Gloria Grayson as well. Your matters don't start until 9 o'clock. We give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. If the officer appears, we will get you in a breakout room with your turn.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Mrs. Hernandez, it's a good time to swear you in. Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, a CAO qualified Spanish interpreter, number 15575.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications? So help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English.
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning, sir. What's your name?
Good morning. Timothy.
Say that again.
Timothy Grover Hargrove Jr.
Timothy Hargrove,
Yeah, Grover Hargrove.
Grover,
Grover Hargrove.
Spell it for me, the last name.
Grover
Yeah.
Hargrove.
Grover Hargrove. Okay. You see him on the documents,
First name Timothy.
Let me see. I'm gonna look it up.
no, see,
Spell the last name.
Grover Hargrove.
Is it a hyphenate?
Hyphen in the middle.
Hargrove.
ROVE.
ROVE. Oh. Got a lot going on. All right, give us the rights of rights, please.
she's on the docket.
No. Good morning. Don't try to help them out. Okay.
Do I have to,
On down.
yes.
Okay. Mark over.
Do I have to leave that here? He signs it. And I don't know if he sends it back down to me or you keep it.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, staff.
Good morning.
Where is he signing? There's no signature.
More?
Good morning.
I was just following the SOP.
No, it's not a problem. I just don't know where for this.
Okay, so, I don't know, I guess. for
Okay, let me
example.
look at it. Were you supposed to wait?
No, I don't know. I'm gonna do whatever you want.
Just make sure it's on, silent.
So I'm in collections. I'm in collections.
So then,
I don't remember. Which one.
Okay, well, let me be
Miss-
now.
Couch, good morning to you.
When's the docket over?
Good morning, Judge.
I don't know.
I'm trying to
Yeah,
find
take
out
me every day.
why you're here.
Maybe 11 o'clock.
Because he got a lot of cases.
My court date not today?
No, the 20th at, November the 20th at 1:30. I can get you, I can arraign you, but it's gonna take a
I'll call
while.
you.
Okay, I can wait. I'm at work, so I'm fine.
MVE money, MVE money. Take your hat off, please. Good morning to you. What's your name?
Good morning. Morning.
Pardon me?
Daryl Looney.
Gerald Ludi.
Looney, yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
He's got the bags, huh? You got the bags, huh?
No, that's just my nickname.
I think that, but was it, it's not true?
I mean, somewhat. It's okay.
See, there you go. He's got the bag. You might not have a license, but he got the bag. But, you know,
License right here.
we'll see. We'll see.
About the time in the car. About the title.
I have to mute yourself, sir.
You don't know how the idea. Can you say it again, Judge?
Gotta mute yourself. You got a lot of background. Good morning to you. I muted you. All right. You know, if and when it comes down to the money, I'm gonna expect Mr. Mooney to pay us ASAP. Hey, are we ready? Oh, you got Mr. Ligon is back. Ms. Harris.
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, don't join the room, Ms. Ligon. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Ligon. Ms. Ligon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel. I've provided her contact information in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Ligon? She joined the room anyway. Ms. Ligon, are you back? Ms. Ligon?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you want an appointed attorney, ma'am?
I'm sorry, my phone is acting again. I keep it.
Ms. Ligon, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I need you to answer the call. You don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. You don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay? Your next court date is gonna be November the 25th, 2025 at 8:30. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. If you heard everything I said.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay, let's call the city of Victor. This is the city of Detroit. He needs an interpreter, Miss Harris. It's the city of Detroit versus Victor Galicia Torres, case number SP 179-5785, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 179-57861. Karen, for the record, please.
Llama el caso para que conste en el acta de el señor Víctor Hugo Galicia Torres, número de caso SP 179-5785, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 179-57861. Por favor, su comparecencia para que conste en el acta.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Sherika Harris, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Víctor Hugo Galicia Torres.
Víctor Hugo Galicia Torres.
All right, date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Torres, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Está bien, señor Galicia Torres. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la consulta previa al juicio. Yo lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada para que ella le ofrezca la oferta que ha propuesto la fiscalía. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a esa sala de consulta privada y si no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte.
Ok.
Apriete aceptar. Join.
And let's pass that matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
iPhone 2, you have to turn your camera on. What is your name, please?
Marquez Lampley.
Mr. Lampley, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, officer. Morning. What's your name, please?
Bush.
Officer Bush. Good morning to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Garrett. Ms. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea of limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Garrett?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsibility on your client. Yeah.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'll find your client responsible. I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access, 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, ma'am? Ms. Garrett?
Yes,
When can you pay the 125?
I'll pay that before the end of November.
All right, pay it by December the 4th. Pay it at any kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Andrew David Litchman. Case number SQ 1773931. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lickman.
Andrew Litchman.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Litchman, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
For office for Jack Laurie is signing on for you. Said for trial. So he's going to see this.
All right, very well. All right, Mr. How you doing? Mr. Grover Hardwood. We could just, which we can do really.
Okay.
You have money on you today? Not today.
Okay, sorry, you was on. Judge cut off his end. Prosecutor for today should be to make. So we need to talk to her.
Good morning to you, officer. What's your name, please?
But she connects. Okay. Thank you.
Shaniqua?
Yes,
Morning to you. What is your full name, please?
Shaniqua Kamisha Lewis.
All right, your matter doesn't start until 9 o'clock. We're going to give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If they don't show, we'll get you out of here. If they do show, we'll get you in the breakout room with an attorney. Okay?
Okay.
Morning to you. Go back on the record with Mr. Galacia Torres. Mr. Torres, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a dismissal for providing valid documentation.
Buenos días, volvemos para que llame el caso del señor Galicia Torres. Señor Galicia Torres ha tenido una recomendación de desestimar su caso por haber presentado los documentos válidos.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Eso es correcto, su señoría.
All right, case dismissed, providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, entonces su caso queda desestimado por haber presentado la documentación válida. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, la mejor de las suertes para usted y se puede desconectar.
Gracias, señoría.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Anuncio Guzman Lechuga, case number SP 179-49251. Appear to the record, please.
Señora Harris, este es el caso, se está llamando el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Ascensión Guzmán, número de caso SP 179-49251. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Buenos días, soy el señor Ascensión Guzmán.
No.
Good morning, I'm Mr. Ascensión Guzmán.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Guzman.
Y mi nombre es Cherica Harris y estoy representando al señor Guzmán.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the breakout room, Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, hoy es la hora agendada para su consulta previa al juicio. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogada, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene el total derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta privada. Breakout room.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada. Número 3. Unirse.
Pass the matter.
Señor, tiene que tocar su pantalla.
Join the room.
Sí.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynchman. Mr. Lynchman, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal.
I'm gonna dismiss the case, Mr. Lynch, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit, strike that, this is the state of Michigan versus Melissa Love. Case number SX 436-40991. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Love.
Melissa Love.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Lawyer and not guilty plea on your client's behalf will leave your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Ms. Love. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you. Good morning to you as well.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do. Come on. Let's pass the matter. Can we get Mr. Hargrove? Oh, you did? All right, give me a few minutes. I'll get y'all out of here. What I'll do is I'm gonna, can you get $135? I don't know if you have tickets in other jurisdictions, but get $135. I would like to take it to your statement to get a front attention and setting yourself up to get a valid driver's license. And you can go there and spend this time between now and the next court date and go pay the money downstairs at the court. You gotta come in and pay it. There's no better way that I can let you do it except coming down to the courthouse and paying it. After you pay it, you go to Secretary of State, try to get a license. If they don't give you a license, then you ask them for a printout. They should tell you everything that's affecting your license, all right? All right. Let me give you a few minutes. Let me get this file. Is that your daughter?
That's my lady.
Ah. Hey, that's what they say about my wife and me, so I'm sorry. Hey, but you know, hey, when you get to be my age, you'll be happy with it. Good morning to you, Mel. And then my wife is older than me, too. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Guzman. Mr. Guzman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal for providing valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Está bien, vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Guzmán. Abogada, veo que esto se está solicitando que se deje caer la causa por haber presentado documentación válida.
Yes, Your Honor.
Case dismissed. Nothing further. Have a very good day.
Señor, su caso ha sido desestimado. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede desconectar. Que tenga muy buen día.
Gracias, muy amable.
Thank you, very kind of you.
City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Jose Guadalupe Ortiz Medina, case number SP 180332221. Karen, for the record, please.
Este es el caso, se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina. Número de caso SP 180-33221. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Cherica Harris, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Abra su micrófono. Open your mic.
Buenos días, ¿sí se escucha?
Yes.
Ok,
Good
good
morning.
morning. Me llamo José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina.
Good morning. Can you hear me? My name is José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina.
Right, today, good morning to you. Today has been time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, no, there's not been a signed counsel. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para su consulta previa al juicio. Se pidió que le está asignada para usted la señora Harris. Ella le va a dar una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no le gusta esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, toque su pantalla y únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando aparezca la invitación en su pantalla.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Señor, únase y vuelvo a llamar su caso cuando una vez que salga de hablar con su abogada. Thank you.
Pass the matter. Andrew Person. Andrew Person, you have to start your video. It's not an option.
Get to the backside of the eye.
All right, is that officer? Hold on, is that officer Person?
No, yes, Your Honor. He wouldn't go fast.
Zoom user. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Zoom user, not an option. You have to start your camera. Can you take your hat off too, sir? What's your name, please? Good morning to you. Unmute yourself.
Michael Gardner.
Michael Gardner. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are we ready on Ms. Love?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Love?
Yes, Judge Perkins, yes.
All right, December the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Love, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
God bless you. Thank you.
And you as well. Thank you so much.
Bye, Mr. Berry.
Goodbye.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Delicia Lee Grant. Case number SP 1792748, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1797658, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179799631. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Ms. Grant, are you there? Yep, unmute yourself, please. Ms. Grant, you have to unmute yourself. We're gonna move on. All right, we'll pass the matter. I'm giving you the prompt, unmute yourself. You have to hit the prompt. This is the city, this is the city of Detroit versus Mikel Lee. Case number SP 1788591. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Mikel Lee.
Good morning to you, sir. Date is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass that matter. Good morning, Counselor. On the telephone at 313-929-0198. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Telephone 313-929-0198. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Hello, on the 929 number 0198. What is your name?
I don't think I don't know the number. This is Brandon Lloyd.
Brandon Lloyd?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning. Sorry about that. I didn't know this number that I was calling up because my phone is actually off at the time.
All right, just give me a minute, Mr. Lloyd. I'm gonna put you on mute, and press *6 when you hear your name. Press *6 when you hear your name.
Okay.
Good morning, counsel.
I've got 3 up there. First one's Lillian Openshaw.
Openshaw is here,
DeAndre.
and the officer is here.
The officers are not good.
Okay.
DeAndre Roper.
Rover.
Andy. Andy.
I don't think I've seen DeAndre Rover.
I'll see if I can reach him in the hallway. Marquise Lampley.
Lampley is here.
We have officers on him as well.
They have a few more minutes to check in. I don't know.
He's got a message ticket that I'm guessing.
Then it has not checked in, which I expect him to. Smith is checked in. So one or she's got a few more minutes.
Got it.
But they're on, they're Openshaw and Lampley are here.
I'll probably run up to the prosecutors and then zoom in from the hallway.
Very well.
Thank you, Judge.
Attorney Dupree, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
I've got Shaniqua Lewis.
Shaniqua Lewis is here. I'm gonna put Ms. Lewis in breakout room 5. Ms. Lewis joining 5. Mr. Dupree is gonna come see you.
Thank you, Judge.
You also down, go ahead.
No, I just said thank you, Judge. That's all.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal for having provided valid documents.
I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Lee. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. State of Michigan versus Vaughn McKinley Lewis, case number SX 45899961. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Henry Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's see, Mr. Lewis, this is set for, what time was this set for?
8:30.
8:30. The officer checked in after the time, Mr. Berry. Let's see, you know, the issue is.
Is that Marquise Lewis?
No, Vaughn Lewis. Yeah, the trooper is here. Let Miss speak to Mr. Lewis and let him know what court's policy is and how it could shake out. And then speak to Miss speak to Mrs. Horn and let her know that the officer did not appear on time, all right? Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lewis, and I'm gonna allow Mr. Berry to come speak with you, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Fast matter. Corporal Bennett, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Grant, you got your device together right now. Let's see if you unmute yourself. All right, very good. All right, you can speak now.
I believe so.
Very good. Give me a few minutes, please. Ms. Openshaw and Mr. Lampley, I'm gonna put Mr. Lampley in 6. Wait on Mr. Saria. Ms. Lampley, I'm gonna put you, Ms. Openshaw, I'm gonna put you in 7. Wait on your attorney, please. That's the cutoff for attorneys to make broad decisions. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ortiz Medina. Mr. Medina, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta caso del señor Ortiz Medina. Señor Ortiz Medina, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora Harry, su abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
My client is respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Su señoría, mi cliente respetuosamente está solicitando que se le asigne un abogado.
Okay, Mr. Ortiz, I'm going to give you a pretrial date of November the 25th, 2025 at 8:30.
Señor, le voy a dar en la próxima fecha, November 25th, 25, right, Your Honor?
Correct.
El 25 de noviembre del 2025 a what time, Your Honor? Sorry.
At 8:30.
A las 8:30 de la mañana por Zoom. Eso es un martes.
I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the October, or strike that November the 25th date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Señor, por favor, atienda cualquier número de teléfono que no reconozca, porque uno de esos números de teléfono puede ser su abogado asignado por la corte. Y en el caso que llegue el día 25, usted se conecte y no lo haya contactado ningún abogado, no se preocupe que le vamos a poner uno en ese momento. Tiene que abrir el micrófono. You have to open your mic.
Gracias.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Señor, que tenga muy buen día, se puede retirar y conéctese ese día.
Ok, muchas gracias. Que tenga buen día.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Demetrius Garrison, case number of SP 1576195, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 175865881. Appearance for the record, please.
And that's the same
Sherika
person.
Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garrison, please state your name for the record.
Demetrius Garrison.
Yeah.
I have Officer Al
It's not a morning.
Shamari here, and I do have, I think Officer Smith is here. No, yeah, Italia. I don't see Officer Italia. So, Ms. Harris, get Mr. Garrison an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Garrison, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. and Ms. Harris, and let us know what you want to do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Enjoy the room. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Dupree, I put your client in breakout room 5 at Lewis, right? I put Mr. Masari, I put your clients in breakout room 6 and 7.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, stay in that room, Miss Lewis. Wait on the attorney, please, unless he told you to.
I brought her out.
Very good. What happened?
Officer failed to appear, Judge.
Who's that officer?
I believe it's a Henderson.
City of Detroit versus Shaniqua Kanisha Lewis, case number SB 176-1167, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant. Miss Lewis, your name, please.
Shaniqua Kamisha Lewis.
All right, today, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the time set for a trial. Officer Henderson. Officer Henderson. Hearing no response and not seeing an Officer Henderson in the room, Ms. Warren mentioned that she didn't see Officer Henderson either.
She did not, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead for your motion.
Move to dismiss, Judge.
Case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. Lewis.
Thank you, you too. Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anyone else, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me for today, Judge. Have a good one.
Best of luck. Be safe. All right. All right, we're waiting on the lawyer now. Ms. Hernandez, who else do you have?
Norma Garcia, the lady in green.
Very well.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Garcia.
9 a.m. 9
Yes.
a.m.
Yes.
Mhm.
Is it with the Southwest Justice Conference? Just one second.
Looney. You're down at the bottom of the list, Mr. Looney. Toward the bottom. No, you're not that far. One in the order that people came in. Best, fairest way I know how to do it. All right, Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Madam Clerk, if you wouldn't mind running an SOS and pull the file for Vaughn Lewis. He's at 8:30.
Ms. Horn, your officer didn't appear on time. Mr. Berry let you know that, didn't he?
He did not.
Yeah, he didn't appear on time. He came in after 9 a.m. Yes.
And one more file, Madam Clerk, if you don't mind. This is for Ms. Harris's client, and that would be Demetrius Garrison at trial. I just need the file for that, and I'll come down and get it after I leave the officer room. Okay, thank you so much.
Everything good?
Yeah, we're ready on open shop.
Open shop?
I'm still waiting on Lampley.
City of Detroit versus Lillian Karen Openshaw, case number SP 1763981. Appearance of the record, please.
Franklin State, P 87840. I'm Dr. Miss Openshaw.
Ms. Openshaw, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Lillian Karen Openshaw.
All right, Officer Carr, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Tara, badge number 3, Police Department. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, what's going to be the resolution, if any?
Yeah, we'll be accepting the people's offer, which is to plea to a 3-month delay sentence.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Openshaw? I'm going to fine you $240.
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Massara went over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 25th, 2025 at around 12:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Wildermere and Blaine Street. Did you have an occasion on that date to be in that area around that date and that time? You did.
Yes.
And what was over there?
A party that my friend was having.
Okay, and this party was in, was that a dwelling over there?
Yeah.
And this dwelling was vacant?
Yeah.
And your friend had a party in a vacant dwelling?
Yeah.
Satisfied? Court is satisfied. Find you guilty as charged. $240, 3-month delay. Review is going to be February 5th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those are the best ways I can tell you to pay it. You don't get in any trouble like this between now and February 5th, 2026, and it's paid off, then we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Great, thank you.
At 8:25, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, Charles, you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day as well.
Thank
you. You're working on Lampley, right?
Yeah, I'm still working on that. That's very. Thank
you. All right. I was talking about Gouch. I don't think Gouch is on our docket today. Trina Gouch.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
You're not supposed to be here until November the 20th at 1. Oh, I said I can arrange. I said I can arrange.
Yes, so I told you I can't wait.
All right, we can do this right now. Do you want an attorney for this? You want the point your attorney, or you go with the attorney that's here every day?
I go with the one that's there every day.
I'm just gonna arrange her, get you on a court date. We'll get your file. Now we're gonna get you an appointed attorney, because I know that's gonna come up probably. We'll get you an appointed attorney. City of Detroit, this is not on the docket. City of Detroit versus Katrina Marie Gouch, case number SP 1803054, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1809681. Ms. Gouch, state your name, please, for the record.
Katrina Gouch.
Today is the date and time. We'll call it set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter not guilty, and then I'll give you a $0 bond. Your new court date is going to be the 25th of November. Disregard any other messages. The 25th of November. I need, if you want to put it in the chat, a good phone number so that this attorney can contact you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then one will be appointed to you on the spot.
So who name do I press, Judge, to start in the message?
Press 36, Detroit 36 District Court will be fine. I'm going to do the same for you. Yes.
It's only letting me press your name.
What's that?
I don't know if you received it.
If you got it, I did. All right.
Okay.
And that's the correct number, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If it's nothing further, ma'am, if you don't hear from that appointed attorney on that date, by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Let's step up, Mr. Grover Hargrove. City of Detroit versus Timothy Andre Grover Hargrove Jr. Case numbers SP, he's not on the docket either. SP 1148325, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 979-266, counts 1 and counts 2. U 322-50516. H, and that's H as in Harry, 001470112. SP 1213309, count 1. SP 1307841. SP 134. Strike it. SP 1344395, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1698601 and count 3. SP 1797571, SP 1797659, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. And State of Michigan versus Timothy Andre Hargrove, Timothy Andre Hargrove Jr. That's X 43213251. State your name for the record, sir. Good morning to you. You get that, Miss Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the date and time set for an arraignment on the warrants. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. And I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of November the 25th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set. I'm gonna assign an attorney for you as well. And I need a good phone number from you. You can say it on the Zoom or you can write it down. There you go, 313-391. 3340. All right. What I need you to do, same thing, answer calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should hopefully be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot. Also, what I told you all to do. And let's try to get you back on the road legally, sir. Okay. No, you're not gonna pay it today, are you? You got one, you don't have $135 today. We put it in the system. Now, with the understanding, I'm allowing you to pay these reinstatement fees up front for these no insurance proofs. With the understanding that you're gonna pay these tickets off at some point because you let these tickets go too far. I'm not setting aside the defaults on these tickets, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can to get you a valid driver's license. What about this? Other things here. You may not be able to get a license anyway. At least if you pay them, whenever you're eligible for a license, this won't be standing in the way. At least all right. Turning over a new leaf, right? All right. It's gonna be four $45 reinstatement fees. So it's gonna go over, what's that? 4 times 45, that's 180. Pay those as soon as you can. They'll be in the system. I didn't write it off each one.
Okay, he's the order here. Give us a paperwork.
All right, and come back on November the 25th. You don't have to come back. You can come on Zoom, but you're more than welcome to come back in as well too. All right. All right. If there's nothing further, all right. Have a very good day, ma'am. Good. Thank you for coming in too, and best of luck to you. November 25th, 8:35, 8:30. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day. All right. Best of luck to you.
I'm gonna go have some paperwork. But no.
All right. Are we ready on it? Sure. Just have to see what we're doing. Nobody, no one else?
There it goes.
All right, good morning, Ms. Garrison.
Good morning.
Okay. We're just waiting on a lawyer.
Okay.
Okay, did Miss Horn speak to the trooper?
She
Let's go back.
she has spoken to the police. Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis, Trooper Jensen. Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning. Trooper Jensen, badge 1576.
Okay. Now, I don't know if Miss Horn told you, I think this is your first time in our courtroom. We have a grace period of a half hour, and you came in after that half hour grace period. I don't know what the city or Mr. Berry has worked out. Go ahead, Mr. Berry. What's going to happen?
Well, Your Honor, as to the prosecutor wishes to the court to entertain a motion regarding this matter. The troopers being late to this hearing.
Okay, so the prosecutor wants to speak on it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning.
We're on the record, this Horn with Mr. Vaughn Lewis for the civil infraction form here.
Okay, let's see.
Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Okay, go ahead, Ms. Horn.
Okay, and Your Honor, I did speak with Trooper Jensen on this case. She had 2 crash investigations this morning, so that was the reason for her delay. She did want to offer Mr. Lewis a limited access 1 to 5, Your Honor.
All right.
May I approach?
You may.
Thank you.
What does your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
If the court is allowing the matter to go forward, we would take advantage of the offer.
That's up to Mr. Lewis. I have a rule that, if it's, I understand that Trooper's busy out there. We appreciate that and her work, but you know, it is what it is. That's up to Mr. Lewis. What does he want to do? If he wants to entertain, I'll entertain the motion if he wants, or I can take the offer. What do you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
I was looking for a dismissal, but I guess I have no choice to take the offer.
We will move to dismiss, Your Honor, based on the lateness of the trooper.
And Your Honor, the people would object in this matter. There was good cause for the trooper's delay. Trooper Jensen was in a crash investigation with 2 vehicles this morning.
I'm gonna dismiss the case. If it's nothing further, I won't mark no officer, this Trooper Jensen. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Be safe out there. And Mr. Lewis, the case is dismissed. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
I don't know if this one was in front of.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're free to leave. Be safe out there, Officer Trooper Jensen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Desiree Gaston, case number SP 1793840, counts 1 and counts 2 at 19-519-1621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaston.
Desiree Gaston.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gaston, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in a breakout room. Let us know what your client wants to do when you come home.
And the one fast speed.
Join the room.
3-month delay. Don't forget.
Just pass the matter. Mr. Lewis, you have a question?
Oh, yes. Am I all done? And will I be able to come down to the court today and pick up the dismissal paperwork?
And you can probably print it out on your own thing, and once Ms. Matthews gets it in the system.
Yeah.
Okay, and how would I be able to print that out?
You go on the 36th District Court website and type in your name and print out ROA.
All right, thank you. God bless, Your Honor.
Man, can I get just a quick second before we go to the next case? Thank you.
Set for that. Okay. And then we'll need an interpreter for that case. I know you guys always have some questions. What's that?
Who's that? One person I just.
No, it's a case that KBS not too long ago, Richard Jamie Galvin. He had a bunch of cases and Judge Williams, but one slipped through here. It's a hyphenated last name, so I got messed up. And he's incompetent, speaks Spanish, so I was setting another date with kind of clear that up for him.
What about Lamp? Are we ready on Lamp?
I just got the offer on the Zoom and talked to him about it.
Probably out, so it's not confusing. The rest is no PO, I would say.
Oh.
I'm back, Your Honor.
And Judge, I'm gonna go in the attorney room real quick and I'm gonna bounce down the hallway.
They're waiting on you in court. Athlete is in 6.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm sorry, Ms. Hernandez, I'll get you going next case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Who's in the break room? Oh, let's see. Let's see. So there's a 4. No, they have Papa's Pizza and Barbecue.
Don't like that? What you said, no? Did you say, oh, no?
I'm not, it's like, I'm addicted to pizza.
Right now? I like these.
Like, I don't know, I'm like, you got right now.
Hello? We're waiting, hold on a second, give me a minute.
No.
I like to. Ready, like,
You don't like deep dish?
I do, but like, I
You gotta
can't,
cook.
I can't eat slices.
You can't, it's good.
Right.
That's what I'm saying, and then you go, man, it just, I gotta eat all that pizza.
Does that sound like a winner to you, Officer Wilson?
Yeah, I think I can eat pizza every day.
Okay, well, not every day.
I can eat out the refrigerator and everything. Don't even gotta heat it up.
It tastes good with salad on top of it too. You ever had it like that?
Mm-mm.
You just put the salad on top of the pizza, and just swallow it up.
I do like a lot of toppings on my pizza though.
My wife loves. I like it. I could just. All right, we're waiting on the lawyer. We're waiting on a lawyer. We're waiting.
Estamos esperando por el abogado.
Very selective. Really?
I can crab, shrimp, lobster, everything else. Fish looks so good.
I didn't know you were. You break out.
My eyes. Hurt. Well, the skin around my eyes.
My daughter's allergic to fish. She's like, it's experimental.
So back on the record with Mr. Garrison, Officer Al Shamari, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and the department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Al-Shamari, badge number 282, Detroit, DPD.
All right, good morning. Start your video for me, please.
I'm sorry?
Okay, very well. I need this file. Ms. Harris, what's gonna happen? Did you work something out?
Yes.
Harrison.
My client is going to enter a plea to the providing false information or ID to an officer under a 6-month delayed sentence. I did advise him that that is a 90-day suspension of his driving privileges.
Okay, you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over the other advice or rights and breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your
Honor. Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 16th, 2025, around 4:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Bellevue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in a motor vehicle, sir? Well, I don't know whether that was a motor vehicle or not.
Yes.
You were
in a motor vehicle.
You were in a motor passenger in a motor vehicle when the officer asked you to provide your name, sir?
Yes, sir.
And what did you do?
Provided incorrect information.
All right. You satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I don't know what made you do that? You don't have to tell me.
We're smoking marijuana in the vehicle, and I figure if I said someone's name who had a marijuana card, I wouldn't get bothered about it.
Do you realize that I understand everybody knows that marijuana is legal in Michigan, but do you realize that you cannot smoke marijuana in a vehicle? You cannot just stand outside at the park and smoke marijuana. You cannot smoke weed in the club. You have to smoke weed in the privacy of your own home if you're gonna do it. Do you understand that? Or privacy of somebody else's home? You cannot even smoke it in public, period. Did you realize that?
Yes, I realize it now, Your Honor.
All right. All right, find your client guilty of the offending, as charged to the false ID. $240 is the fine, 6-month delay. about the other matters? There was no officer on the other matters, Ms. Harris?
That is correct, Your Honor. We would move to dismiss.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal. Well, I guess you don't necessarily have to stipulate to that. No officer. Okay. May the 4th, 2026. May the 4th, 2026. Don't get in any trouble like this. Pay the $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There's other ways you can pay it. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And then if you don't get any more trouble, it is paid by May the 4th, 2026. We'll dismiss the case. All right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Likewise.
Thank you. All right, officer, you be safe out there and have a very good rest of your day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you. This is Miss Interpreter case. This is the city of Detroit, which is Norma Garcia Romero, case number SP 164-80751, SP 176-5302, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Norma García Romero. Número de caso de SP 164-80751 y SP 176-530, 2 cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Sherika Harris, representando a la acusada. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Norma Esperanza García Romero.
Norma Esperanza García Romero.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter.
Buenos días, señora. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la consulta previa al juicio en su caso.
Buenos días, señor juez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Check and see if Officer Farley or Officer Williams appeared. I'm going to put Ms. Garcia in the breakout room, and so get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Por favor, asegúrese de que los oficiales están aquí en la sala de consulta privada, en la sala de espera, y por favor consígale una buena oferta a su cliente.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Señora García, por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la invitación. Okay, she's there.
She's in there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaston. Ms. Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the driver's license never having been acquired, the 2 remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You're in the driver's seat now, aren't you?
No, I just came outside to show my insurance.
I know, I didn't ask you that. I said, you're in the driver's seat now, aren't you? You said no. Pardon me?
Well, I misunderstood what you were saying. I thought you was asking, like, was I driving now?
No, I said, you're in the driver's seat now.
I came outside.
All right, do you
Show proof of
understand?
my insurance.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for that offense is 93 days in jail and $500 in fines?
Is what?
93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Well, no, I didn't know that part, but now I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 30th, 2025, around 10:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Hessel and Rosemont. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, I was driving down the street.
And you were just driving down the street and you never got stopped with the police?
No, they stopped me on the block.
So you did have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department, is that correct?
Yes. I
All
guess
right.
when they stop you, yeah. But at first, no, I was just about to go home.
All right, did you understand the question, ma'am? I will pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Delicia Lee Grant. Case number SP 1792748, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1797658, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1797961. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Billy Shirley Grant.
Morning to you, Ms. Grant. Today is the date and time set a arraignment for the purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Grant, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when we come out. It's fast and matter.
Oh,
Are we ready on Lampley?
Yes, we are.
I'll pull them out. I'll join.
Yeah.
You tell them to come to the main line. I think it would just take.
No, we need to turn up. All right, let's go call the city of Detroit versus Marquez Anthony Lampley. Case number SP 1455221. SP 1548841, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1754885, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1790483, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Right, Mr. P 87848 on behalf of Mr. Lampley. Mr. Lampley, please state your name for the record. Mr. Lampley, please state your full name for the record.
That I can't hear you.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lampley.
Marquez Lampley.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Smith is here, correct?
Officer Smith and Bennett.
And Corporal Bennett. Corporal Bennett, are you in the main room? Did he leave? Are you have an offer?
Yes, I do. At this time, we'll be accepting that offer. It's to stay to one count of fail to display from driver's license number required. Stay to undeclared over from careless driving. Continue to open alcohol passenger on a 3-month delayed sentence. Open alcohol driving.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you understand strike that. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Sorry, I went over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not? Did he go over your rights at some point? The right to a trial, the right to call witnesses, the right to remain silent and things like that, Mr. Lampley?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Say it again.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 15th, 2025 at around 2:46 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Otis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I was leaving from work.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
I ain't hear you.
You couldn't produce that license, could you?
I told him that I ain't have one, but the vehicle that I was in, that she was in the passenger, and she ended up showing her license to him.
But you understand, you were operating that car though, right?
Yes.
But you understand that you can't operate a vehicle if you don't have a license, correct?
Yes.
Fine. Was there alcohol in the vehicle?
Yes, but I ain't know about it until they searched the vehicle.
Really? So is there anything that you want to address on that, or is there, Mr. Messiah, or is that
I can touch base with Mr. about that. So house. Judge.
All right, let's,
Sorry, I did not hear Mr. Maseria's response to that question.
speak up.
I apologize. I can touch base with Mr. Lampley and cover the knowledge aspect of it.
I don't know if it's a knowledge aspect though. I think that, let's look up the statute. I think it's kind of strict liability, but when, and I don't have a copy of the ticket, but
Because I think the argument would be constructive possession, and I think.
I would think so. All right, so if you want to touch bases, we can pass the matter. Officer, well, let's put Officer Smith's, appearance on the record. Officer Smith, can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Officer Smith, badge number 888 with the 4th Precinct, the city of Detroit, sir.
All right, very good. Okay, let me, Mr. Lampley, let Mr. Masari look into it a little bit more, and we'll pass the matter and recall it, okay?
All right.
If something changes, I'll have you go back in the breakout room.
I'm gonna touch base with the prosecutor now.
Very well.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Harris, are we ready?
No, Your Honor, I was disconnected and lost co-host. It's my understanding that Officer Farley checked in is what I was told by the city attorney. I don't recall seeing either officer, so I'm leaving that. We would have to wait for them to return.
Officer Farley did check in. Officer, I don't know where he is now, but he did check in. I'm sorry. And you need ability. Yes,
Actually, we can pull her out of the breakout room if the court could assist. I believe we are ready.
All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Norma Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el caso de la señora Norma García. Señora García, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representada?
Your Honor, it's my understanding the matters are being dismissed.
Señor, entiendo que los cargos han sido desestimados.
There was no recollection by Officer Farley.
El oficial Farley no tenía, no se recordaba de esta infracción.
And it's my understanding the other complaining witness did not appear.
Y entiendo que la otra persona que iba a ser de testigo por parte de la fiscalía no compareció.
Stipulate the probable cause.
¿Estipula usted la causa probable?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulada, sí, señoría.
All right, case dismissed for the reasons, I'll grant the motions for the reasons stated in the record. Case dismissed. Garcia.
Señora García, su caso entonces ha sido desestimado por las razones que ya se constan en el acta.
Ok. Muchas gracias, señor juez.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Gracias, señora. Que tenga muy buen día.
Igualmente.
Same for you. Se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias, muy amable.
Okay, thank you. Very kind of you.
All right, this, Miss, do you have anyone else?
Not that I know of.
Do you want to find out now? You can ask.
Okay, I will ask. Por favor, ¿hay alguna otra persona ya aquí registrada que necesite intérprete de español?
All right, Mr. Hernandez, I'll see you soon. Have a very good rest of your day. Thank you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, Miss Matis.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus DeAndre's Doc Gamble Jr. Case number SP 1457647, SP 1746398, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1746399, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
I thought he said DeAndre Gamble.
Mr. Gamble, could you
Gamble.
state your name for the record?
DeAndre Gamble Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Your client does owe $288 on an old ticket. No insurance proof. I'm going to, and I will allow him to be heard on this improper display of plate. If the city has no objection to that, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gamble, with Miss Harris. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room when you see the prompt and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
Join the room, please. Pass them out. Let's go back on the record. Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor. Her number is in the chat.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Grant?
Yes.
Your number ends in 6046?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of November the 25th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set so that that appointed attorney can contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date on November the 25th at 8:30, then we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
I just need you to answer the calls. You're not recognized. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You have a blessed day too, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Roderick Green, case number SP 1785775, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1785781. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
I think we lost Mr. Green. Let me see who's on this number. At 586-626. 586-262.
Hey, Lloyd, my call had disconnected, so I had to call back.
Who is this? Is that Brandon Lloyd?
Yes.
All right, give me a minute, Mr. Lloyd. All right, let's pass the matter. We lost Mr. Green as well. Let's pass that matter.
I didn't hear you, sir.
No, we're gonna pass your matter. We haven't called yours yet. You're still in line. It's Brajane Gordon here. Brajane Gordon. Give me the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry.
Brajane Gordon. I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Brajane Gordon. It's a lot of noise in the background. City of Detroit versus Brajane Gordon. Case number SP 1718438, count 2. SP 1724058, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1724067-1, SP 1736.
Maddie, hold him in there for a second, please.
Who is this?
Ms.
Counsel.
Gordon, Your Honor.
Turn your camera on. Counts, SP 1736129, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Gordon.
Breonna Gordon.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial on the matter. Six matters on the on the record. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matters into the record. Go ahead. Is Officer Nelson here? And Officer Couture is here. Mr. Berry, give Ms. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gordon, if you don't like the officer offer today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right, I got hands raised. Ms. Gasson, I know you're there. Mr. Gamble, Ms. Harris.
Can I have Mr. Gamble rejoin the breakout room?
Can you rejoin the breakout room, Mr. Gamble?
Yes, how do I rejoin? How do I rejoin it? I couldn't hear anything.
Join the one, and then I'll move you to the other.
And could I also have Mr. Lampley rejoin the breakout room, please?
Lampley, can you rejoin the room? Go to 7, please. Make it easier.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, I see you there, Ms. Gasson.
Okay.
any change at all?
It's gonna be no contest due to lack of recall on that one.
All right, you hear me, Ms. Williams Law? Turn the volume up. Am I being heard?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lampley. Mr. Lampley, we were taking a plea. I found you guilty of the amended count of failure to display for the driver's license.
Yes.
And you're understanding that there's no contest plea for the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger amended from driver?
Yeah.
So essentially that's gonna amount as, for purposes of sentencing, is gonna amount to a guilty plea. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea?
So stipulated, Judge.
And the purposes of that no contest plea?
Lack of recall.
Okay, very well. I'll give you a no contest plea for lack of recollection. And the fine is gonna be $240 on that. Officer Smith, are you already put your appearance on the record, Officer Smith? So Corporal Bennett was here.
I believe the last thing we're gonna do is proceed from careless to the 1 to 5.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for.
So stipulated, Judge.
And with that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5. No limited access on that.
No limited access.
All right. With the stipulation of probable cause, and the other officers, did you have any other officers that were here?
Just those two, Judge.
And for the purposes of the motion on the officers.
We can move to dismiss for no officers. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss for no officer on the other cases. I'm gonna cut you a little bit of a break. I won't fine you for the failure to display. I'll fine you for $240 for the open alcohol and $125 for the 1 to 5 and the 1 to 5. 240 plus 125. When can you pay it?
I can pay it before this month over with.
All right, pay it by December the 4th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, sir. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right. And you said December 4th?
December 4th, on or before, okay?
All right.
All right, best of luck to you.
No problem.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gamble. Mr. Gamble, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a pretrial date, and it's my understanding Mr. Gamble is going to do his best to pay that no proof of insurance prior to his next court date.
All right, very well. Mr. Gamble, I'm going to set a pretrial date for you for November the 25th, 2025 at 8:30. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, thank you.
Is Looney still here? Mr. Looney, Daryl Looney?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
I'm sorry, what day was that again? November the 22nd?
November the 25th.
Okay, thank you.
At 9 a.m. You are.
November the 20th.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Looney, case number SP11509481, SP1795286, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1795288 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 981839 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Daryl Looney.
Pretrial, day of date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Looney, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Hold on, let me make sure. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Pass the matter. Bush checked in on Laurie. Did Officer Bush say he didn't recollect Mr. Wilson?
He didn't give a reason, Judge. He just said he was dismissed.
City of Detroit versus Jack Laurie, case number SP 177-25221, SP 177-25311. State your name for the record, please.
Jack Leo Laurie.
Good morning to you, sir. Officer Bush did appear, but he said we're going to mark no recollection. there's nothing further, Mr. Laurie, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Case dismissed.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day yourself, Your Honor.
Good luck. Bring the officer, have a Johnson, but that's not the officer Johnson. That's set for pretrial anyway, so that doesn't matter. Officer Benton is here. Don't get DeAndre Grover. Call Mr. Dupree. Here on Deontay Grover. Dell is being handled by, is that Oval Street? Where's Oval Street? Good morning to you. How are you?
Victor is supposed to be live?
No. Well, good.
Are you working?
Yeah, we're all.
I mean, you're,
Oh, we're waiting.
oh,
How are you?
I'm good. I had to be in the building. Actually, I had to be in the building yesterday and today,
Huh?
2 times in the past year. I still got one case I can't get rid of.
You'll get rid of it.
But so I was here yesterday and I tried to come in and your door was locked. So I went about my business, but I ran into your brother in federal court yesterday afternoon. And I said, I tried to go in and see Sean and his door was locked. He's like, no, go pound on that door.
You see?
Let him know you're here.
You see, how are you? How's the family doing?
Oh, blessed to have the opportunity to serve another day.
Yeah, tell me about it, right?
Yeah, and I just keep seeing you all over, what is that?
You'll tell me, I can't understand.
You look good. You look good on TV.
I'll take that. I'll take that. Some people might beg to differ.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
I cannot, you know what? I saw something about. Somebody listening?
No, we're on. I don't know where.
Mute it. But.
So you can press the top of that square thing, just press it and it turn red.
Mr. Young. Good to great to see you.
It was good seeing you.
Okay.
Write down your stories. I'm gonna come collecting.
All right, great. I'll talk to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I'm giving you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea of improper plates to the no registration charge of Officer Couture. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Officer Couture, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Officer Couture, badge number 1187 for the Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so I'm surprised not to see Officer Nelson, but I know Ms. Gordon doesn't mind that. The other matters, you want to make a motion, Mr. Berry?
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witnesses.
All right, you want to take the deal, Ms. Gordon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail? Oh, M. Brown was here. 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 6th, 2025 at around 1:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Jefferson and Copland. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was that your 2013 Ford?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
That's correct.
And why is that?
I currently I didn't have valid insurance at the time.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. That's a 0-point offense. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240, Ms. Gordon, when can you pay it?
If I can start payment plans, that would be great. I can start this weekend.
What I'll do is I'll give you until December the 4th to figure it out. Either pay it off, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I'm also marking the file allow payment plan. So if you don't pay it off, then come on down to the courthouse on or before December the 4th and get into that payment plan. I need to see you back on the 4th of December at 8:25. If you've done one or the other, you'll be done with me, okay?
Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good day. And Officer Couture, you have a very good day as well, and be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great one.
You have a better one. Okay, Ms. Harris, you have a question?
Yes, could we check the status of the license for Mr. Looney, please?
Run Mr. Mooney's license, please. All right, let's try this again. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gadsden. Are you ready to do this now, or are you? You got in the passenger seat. I don't know what that means. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Your Honor.
All right, I already swore you in. I asked you, drawing your attention back to September the 30th, 2025, 10:32 p.m., City of Detroit, in the area of Hessel and Rosemont. And I asked you, did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer have asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
To be honest, Your Honor, I have a lot going on, but that's not an excuse. I'm just gonna go do what I'm supposed to do and get my driver's license.
You didn't have a valid license, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display with the stipulation of probable cause. Mr. Berry, I'll dismiss the other matters.
Okay.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, it's gonna be a $240 fine, Miss Gaston. When can you pay?
I can have it paid by next month.
All right, I'm gonna give you till December the 4th to pay it off. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll have a reinstatement fee on that old 19 case of $45. I'll waive the $50 reinstatement fee. Do you want me to mark allow payment plan as well?
Yes, please.
I mark the file allow payment plan. Do one of two things by December 4th, and you do not have to return because yours was not set for dismissal. Do one of two things: get into a payment plan on or before December 4th. You have to come down to the courthouse and do that, or pay it off at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Pardon me?
The what app?
DivDat, D-I-V.
Oh, the Div. Okay.
DivDat, yeah, D-I-V-D-A-T. Or you can pay it and come down to the courthouse. There's other ways to pay it. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I hope things get better for you, Miss Gaston. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, so just one last question. So there's the $240 plus the $50 that you were speaking of as well?
$240 plus the 45. I'm just concerned about the 240. You just concern yourself about the 45 because that's it'll be there if you don't pay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thanks, you as well.
Thank you. Looney has a valid driver's license. Is that MV in with that? That's MDE money. Officer. So I don't know where Mr. Overstreet is. James Lydell, is he represented by anyone? Okay, James Lydell, I don't know where he is. Ms. Harris, Looney has a valid license. Ms. Grayson is here.
Thank you.
Ms. Little is waiting. Who is Ms. Little's attorney? Let's get Ms. Little. I don't know if you have an attorney or not. Let's get Ms. Little on. He's back. All right, we're going to take care of Ms. Little. This is the city of Detroit versus Brianna Little, case number SP 177-29771. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Little.
Brianna Little.
Mr. Berry, good morning to you, Ms. Little.
Good
Mr.
morning.
Berry, Officer Person was here. He's no longer here now. I don't know if he spoke with the city attorney, but speak to Ms. Little in the breakout room and speak to Ms. Horn. Ms. Little, I'm gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't have like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Wait on Mr. Berry, please.
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter.
Excuse me, Judge. I just had a quick question for you.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. You had called my my
Yes.
person for Liddell.
He's represented by Mr. Ogletree, I think, and we're waiting on Mr. Ogletree.
Yes, sir. Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Say Paul. Probably stop at 9 o'clock.
I see.
Okay.
I do. Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. On Deonta Grover, it looks to be like that defendant is here, but the people are moving for officer's lack of recollection.
Grover.
I saw him. I think he's a participant.
He's here. He's here. So I was going to ask you about that's Benton. That's Officer Benton. That was
Yes, not. Yep, I just spoke with her, Your Honor.
Now I'm asking about. I am asking about the officer person. He was here. He's no longer here.
I can get him back.
That's the one that's up with Mr. Berry in the park closed. I don't know if you gave an offer or not. I mean, if it's an offer and she's willing to accept it, and you don't have to call him back. But that's what Mr. Berry is maybe waiting on you in 4 now to speak with you about.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
I know Mr. Dupree is not going to be.
Come back, yeah, text him.
I don't think he's going to be back. Well, he's got some other cases. So, I will. Waiting on your lawyer, Mr. Leverett. Oh.
His client's name?
His client's name is, I think he has Liddell and Leverett. He's been in here all morning and he's in the room.
What's your?
Yeah, he's in the room.
Okay.
So he has Grayson and Leverett. Liddell, I don't know who Liddell. Maybe Liddell doesn't have. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Little. Ms. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Little?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to August 9th, 2025, at around 5:07 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Jefferson, Iroquois. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that date and the time that night, be around that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
What's over there, ma'am?
Water.
Water? Is that a city park?
I didn't think it was. I mean, I didn't know that it was. I just thought it was like by the water.
Yeah, there's a park over there. That's Irma Henderson Park. Irma Henderson Park. She was a city council president, I think, back in the day with Coleman Young. Am I right, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor, you're correct.
Big time politician, wasn't she, Mr. Berry?
She's
I
a
guess
very
you have,
serious.
I guess you have to be very serious and big time to get a park named after you,
She was quite good at in her field.
as I remember. So Miss Little, you almost made it. I think the park's open at 6. Unless you were there, or, from 2 or 10 and stayed all night. I don't know, but it's 6 to 10, so it's basically a strict liability offense. You're in the park at after those hours. I guess it would be a situation if you had some extenuating circumstance, then you'd have a reason to be there. So I gotta find you guilty, ma'am. $240 will be the fine, 3-month delay. Come back on February 5th, 2026 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid, there's other ways to pay it as well. Those are just 2 best ways. If it's paid and you don't have any further issues like this, then we'll dismiss the case and you don't even have to show back up. But if it's not paid, I need to see you.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, Ms. Little. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
All right, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry. I don't know if Mr. Lydell was represented by anyone, but I don't think so. City of Detroit versus James Lee Lydell, case number SB 174-67171, SB 176-87491. We'll also call SB 803831 into the record. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Colwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lydell.
James Liddell.
Good morning to you, sir. Officer Couch, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Judge. Officer Couch, badge 5143, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Officer Churl was here and Officer Brown was here, Mr. Berry, but they're no longer here. Get Mr. Lydell an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lydell, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You have a conversation with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Today is that date and time set for trial, all right?
All right.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Aaron Overstreet is here. Yes.
He's in the breakout room.
Yes. Did you call Mr. Dupree? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Looney. Mr. Looney, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're requesting a trial date. I will state that he did provide his valid documentation today, but the recommendation is not one that he's willing to accept at this time.
All right, trial date is going to be December the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Looney. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Okay, gets me down to, this is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Jamel Charles Green. Case numbers SP 1410786, count 1 and count 2. SP 1, strike that, SP 9968971. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Jamel Green.
Turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Okay, once I'm trying to.
You got it. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, if he does not like the, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Green, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. I'm getting to you, Mr. Gardner, please. Mr. Dupree.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus DeAndre Dante Grover. Case numbers SP 1741951, SP 1742307, counts 1 and count 2. And you got a new case, SP 1809561. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PED 0132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Grover, your name, please.
Yeah, DeAndre Grover.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I do know that Officer Benton was here, and that officer indicated that she didn't have any recollection. Make sure with Ms. Horn. But since there was another case here that you probably didn't know about, and I know you probably have not been appointed to that. I don't know if you want to do that or not. It's a no license improper case. All right. Speak to Ms. Horn, find out whether you can give Mr. Grover an updated offer, and then I'm going to put Mr. Grover in breakout room 5. Let us know what you want to do. He's going to try to get you an updated offer, Mr. Grover. If you don't like
and we can move for dismissal, Your Honor. I did speak with the officer, Benton, and she mentioned that she had no recollection. So I did ask.
He does have another license improper case right now.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Failure to display, Mr. Dupree.
Judge, so just to jump in here on Mr. Grover, I was assigned to represent Mr. Grover. However, at the time that order was entered, he had already been assigned to be represented by Dennis Whitey and Frank Masseria. And since their assignment predated mine, I withdrew from the case. So I do believe this is actually their case.
Oh, well, it says you on here still, and they, I don't know.
I think that's because I filed the most recent appearance, but once I requested discovery, I was told they were on it and then did not do any further work on the matter. So I think it is actually still theirs. I just texted them to try to figure it out, and I will stick around until I can get one of them here.
Well, okay, nevertheless, We'll dismiss the cases that we called into the record for no recollection anyway.
Very well, Your Honor.
He has the new case that I'm sure nobody has been assigned to yet because it's a new case. So what, do you want to wait for Mr. Rosario to come on back in for that?
No, I can do the driving without a license real quick, Judge.
Okay, all right. Join the breakout room, Mr. Grover, number 5. Mr. Dupree will come see you, may get you an offer. If he doesn't get you an offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Oh, or Mr. Dupree, one of our other attorneys can handle that. He's in there. Join the room. Mr. Dupree?
Yes, Judge.
One of our other attorneys can handle the license and property.
In that case, Judge, that sounds good to me. Sorry that it took me a while to get back to you guys.
That's all right. All right, be safe, Mr. Dupree. We'll give Mr. Grover another attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the cases for no recollection for the cases that were on docket for the trial. And I'll pass the matter until we get a turn. All right, Mr. Grover, I just let Mr. Dupree go. We dismissed the cases that are on the docket. What I can do is, I don't know if you want to set a pretrial date for the other case, or do you want to try to resolve it now? Or what do you want to do with the other case?
Are you talking to me?
You, Mr. Grover.
Can you repeat that?
So I don't know whether you want to, I dismissed the cases that were on the docket for trial today for no recollection. These other cases, you have an arraignment, so you're supposed to be here at 11. We might as well get arraigned on this case at least. You can either get a plea today on this one case of no ops. You can either set a pretrial date or a trial date and see if the officer shows and take that time, and maybe you can get a valid driver's license. I don't know. What do you want to do with this other case?
I like to handle it, but it was things that was caused. See, I dealt with you before, and I handled everything that I needed to handle, tickets I needed to take care of and stuff like that. And it was like I was supposed to go to Secretary of State to get the license, but they told me that it would take maybe a year or so. And then you told me that I should write a letter to them, maybe, because before we knew this, me getting everything cleared up, it was said to me that I was going to be able to get the license. So I'm steady, I have a mom that I have to take care of and stuff like that to transport her and stuff. And I get pulled over again for no license. Like, I'm just trying to get it all resolved the right way. And it seems kind of hard at the.
Let me say this. If you've already been to the Secretary of State and you know you're not going to be eligible for a license until next year, then you're not going to get a license until next year. Unless you can find some other way to get that taken care of. As far as this is concerned, I don't know what your driver's license looks like, but obviously they're holding you back for a year. You keep getting these tickets and plead a certain way to them, then it's probably gonna push it back more. But you have to you have to find another way to move around if these allegations are true. I'll put you in a breakout room with give you one of the attorneys. They'll deal with the tickets now. Let me take care of Mr. Lydell, and I'll get to Mr. Berry and see if we can help him navigate it. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lydell. Mr. Lydell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is an offer. The prosecutor indicates that the officers are present. Mr. Liddell was adamant he needed to speak to you.
Okay. What does he need to speak to me about? What's the offer?
The offer is plea to expired plates and the seatbelt violation, dismiss the no insurance matter.
All right, I'll fine you the 145 for the seatbelt. I mean, 145 for the expired plates, and I won't fine you. I'll give you a break on the seatbelt. What do you have to? What do you need to speak to me about, Mr. Lido?
So I was told by the officer with the no assurance thing that he said he was gonna get that drop. All I had to do is kind of show up in court. But then that's
dropped.
The seatbelt ticket, I want to take that to trial. I was gonna take that to trial because I had my seatbelt on. And the other trial, the plates, I'm
I already told you I wasn't gonna fine you for the seatbelt.
okay. It was just my lawyer it was just what the court appointed lawyer was telling me. That's all.
All right. So I mean, he's got the seatbelt. He doesn't want to admit to having the seatbelt on. Who was the officer for the seatbelt? That was M. Brown.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Brown, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record?
Police Department, badge 1586.
Okay. Ms. Horn, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
All right. Do we need to go into a hearing about a seatbelt ticket that I wasn't gonna fine him for? Would it?
You're muted, Ms. Horn.
You're muted, Ms. Horn.
Oh, I'll speak. Thank you so much. I can speak with Officer Brown in breakout room 1 if we could pass this matter.
Very well.
Okay. And as a heads up on Miss Grayson, the people are moving for dismissal if she's still here.
Okay. I'm sure she's been in the breakout room yet. All right. All right.
I'm here. I'm here.
Let's go with Mr. Berry. You've worked that out. Go speak to Mr. Glover. He's got a driving while license. Who was that I was speaking with about that license? Go speak with Mr. Glover about that. Mr. Glover, you just came out at the wrong time. Who was that had the issue of getting stopped and having to take their mother? Mr. Berry, go speak to Mr. Glover in breakout room 2. He's got a license improper. All right.
All right. Yes, sir.
It's not on the docket. It's just one license improper. All right. He's there. All right. Miss Grayson, where's Mr. Ogletree?
I'm right here, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Gloria Nicole Grayson. Case number SP 1751152, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, behalf of Miss Grayson.
Miss Grayson, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Gloria Nicole Grayson.
Okay. Officer Johnson was here. Is he here now? He's not here anymore. I'll mark him as here. Go ahead. This was supposed to be a dismissal, Mr. Ogletree?
No, it looked like this case is probably gonna have to proceed to trial. Ms. Warren said,
Bring it up.
Hold on. That's not what this. Go speak to Miss Horn. Miss Horn didn't tell me that.
all right, so it's difficult
You
here.
just said dismissal.
Yeah, Miss Horn said dismissal on Grayson.
Yeah, just now.
Hush, quiet. Miss Horn, didn't you just tell me that?
That's correct, Your Honor. Thank you to counsel for sending over valid documents for registration and her insurance. It's also my understanding after speaking to Officer Johnson that this ticket was mailed. So she was not handed this ticket at the stop. So I'm inclined to move for dismissal on all counts.
Case dismissed, Ms. Grayson. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Ogletree.
What about Leverett?
That's a settlement.
That's what?
That's a resolution.
All right, City of Detroit versus Tehran Omega Leverett. Case numbers SP 174-6997, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overstreet, P number 69167, on behalf of Mr. Leverett. Mr. Leverett, can you please state your last name and full name?
Teron Leverett.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Leverett. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Brown was here. Do we have a resolution?
Yes, the resolution is, he's gonna plead to open alcohol passenger, 6-month delay sentence, and then the seatbelt violation is gonna be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Leverett?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Overstreet went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 4th, July the 5th, 2025, around 10:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Sheridan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
This is a new one for me. Was there some barefoot in there?
Yes, sir.
What is barefoot?
Wine, sir.
It's like, is that like Thunderbird?
I'm not sure what Thunderbird is.
He doesn't know about Thunderbird. I saw a guy in the store yesterday buying a bottle of Wild Irish Rose. I haven't seen Wild Irish Rose in 30 years. Is barefoot like Wild Irish Rose?
No, sir. Just a bottle of wine with like 5% alcohol in there.
So it's not like it's like a real bottle of wine, huh?
Yes, sir.
It's a cheap bottle of wine.
Yes, I believe it's like $8.99.
That doesn't mean it's not good. And you had this in the car?
Yes, sir.
And it was open?
Yes, sir.
Was it something in the container?
Yes, sir.
My buddy just texted me. He said his wife drinks barefoot. All right, I'm glad I don't drink anymore. Find you guilty of the amended count of as charged to the open alcohol to motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Stipulate.
All right, 6 months, May the 4th, 2026. You can buy a whole lot of barefoot for $240, can't you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You have May the 4th, 2026 to pay it. There's other ways to pay it. Don't get caught with any more barefoot, or don't even have any more barefoot in the open barefoot in the car unless it's in the trunk of the car and you transport it from one place to the other, and pay the $240, and we'll dismiss the case on May the 4th, 2026 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. Take care.
All right, take it easy.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
Your Honor, that charge on Mr. Grover,
The charge on Mr. Grover is a new charge. It happened October the 10th, I believe. A license improper.
okay.
October the 10th. He was scheduled for an arraignment on the 6th of this month. So in 2 days, he would have had to been back at 1:30. The
All
other
right.
charge is dismissed because of no
Yes.
recollection.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to speak with the prosecutor.
Very
I'll
well.
be informed, Ms. Horn.
Ms. Harris, are you ready? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, you want to do that, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back on December the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Green, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I appreciate your patience. All right, Michael Gardner. What happened to Gardner's spot?
I'm here, Your Honor.
I see. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you have a middle name, Mr. Gardner?
Anthony.
Let's see. '81 date of birth.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Gardner. Case number SP 1796594, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1814372, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 181508441. Excuse me, SP 181508551. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gardner. Please state your name for the record.
Michael Gardner.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. So he got some new tickets, Ms. Harris, I counted into the record. One is a driving while license suspended. The other is a disregarding officer's order. The other is an improper lane use. And the other is a no-ops. That's kind of, get Mr. Gardner, see if you can get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gardner, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Find out what happened with Miss, who has had Mr. Lydell? That was Barry. I'll wait on Barry. I'm just waiting on Horn for Lydell. Oval Street, do you have anybody else? Green, you're free to leave, aren't you? Didn't we take care of you, Mr. Jamel Green?
Yes, Your Honor, but I'm trying to get my attorney number or
No, you will, your cases, you'll just get the attorney that's gonna be here that day. Your cases are
okay.
just, you know, they're not, they
Okay.
don't necessarily require to have all of the special attention to.
Okay. She asked me could I go to Secretary of State and report back to her. But
Try to go to Secretary of State, see if you can get a valid driver's license. If you can't get a valid driver's license, ask the Secretary of State for a printout. They should give you a printout and tell you everything that's affecting your license.
okay.
You have anything down
Okay,
here?
got it.
I'll tell you this, I don't have anything down here that is affecting your ability to get a license. I don't know whether you have tickets in other jurisdictions or not.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. Thank you,
Sir.
Anna. Okay, you too.
Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what do you want to do with Lydell on that seatbelt?
Oh, that was the one I went in with Melvin Brown. Is that correct, Your Honor? Yes, the people are going to move for dismissal on that. It's also my understanding that a more serious matter came out of this investigation.
Yeah, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Liddell. Mr. Liddell.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Liddell, you got your wish. The seatbelt ticket is going to be dismissed. You're going to plead responsible for this not having a license, this expired plate, correct?
Expired place, yes, I have a license.
Well, yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
No, I know that's touchy because if you have that license, you don't want anybody to tell you your license is suspended.
Right.
I'm gonna find you responsible for not having the proper plate, expired plate, $145.
Yes, sir.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters. I don't think you may not know what that means.
No, you can elaborate.
So basically, will you agree that the police had probable cause to pull you over?
About the tickets?
Well, you got one set, the no insurance misdemeanor. All these things happen at 3 different times. Yes. So we're not even talking about the expired plate ticket because you've already pled responsible for that.
Yes.
Let's talk about the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Would you agree that the officer had probable cause to pull you over?
For the ticket, for the seatbelt ticket?
No, well, let's do the seatbelt ticket. Would you agree he had probable cause to pull you over for the seatbelt ticket?
No, because I wasn't a driver. The driver was my cousin, and I got railroaded that day because I had my work pocket knife on me, and they charged me.
All right, stop. I guess he wasn't the driver. So Mr. Barrett, put your appearance on the record again for Mr. Liddell.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Liddell.
Yes. Here's the deal. Ms. Horn was willing to dismiss the seatbelt ticket. Mr. Liddell indicated to the court that he was a passenger. I was asking for the stipulation of probable cause for the dismissal. He indicates that he doesn't feel that they had probable cause to pull, well, I mean, he's not the driver. Would you say that they had probable cause to pull your cousin over?
Yeah, they had probable cause to pull him over, yes.
Okay, very well. That's all we need. Because you're in the car. So I'll dismiss that. And what about the no insurance ticket? You stipulate the probable cause on that? Mr. Liddell's gonna go to law school in a minute.
I wish. I wouldn't have got railroaded last case.
Go ahead. So did he have probable cause to pull you over on the no insurance ticket?
If you call it probable cause, just looking at a black man with dreads and just pulling him over, that's
not probable cause. Because that would be Mr. Berry would be getting pulled over too.
No. There's levels to it. You probably want to get pulled over. A person like me, yeah, I'm gonna get pulled over for sure.
But Mr. Berry's got dreads.
Yeah, but he wear a suit. He an old man. He don't look like he out here. I'm not out here, but I look like I'm in that group.
No. So you know they can run the plates on your vehicle and pull you over too, right?
Yeah, but when you riding past on the other side, like if I'm going one way and you going towards the other way, and you just look at me and you just want to turn around, that's suspicion, and then just like, oh, I don't believe he's legit. Let me get behind him. Oh, he's not.
Okay, so you not being legit, does that give him cause?
Yeah, you can say that, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I understand what your argument is, but at the end of the day, if he's got full right to run your tabs, now that's one thing that came down some years ago now that I don't agree with that. Because I agree with Mr. Liddell. I agree that gives them the ability to profile people. But
a lot.
But the courts said that they can do it. I
understand.
And that's what the That's what the state of the law is right now, so. All right, with that, I'm gonna dismiss that case. I'm gonna dismiss that, $145, when can you pay?
If you give me some time, because that last case is the reason why I lost my job. So if you give me some, at least.
I'll give you until December 4th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You have an awesome one yourself, Judge.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grover. Mr. Grover, what does Mr. Grover want to do about this license improper, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, he would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display.
And he indicated to the court that he wasn't eligible for a license for another year. And I told him, depending on what type of plea he has, I don't know what his license, so I can't say whether this will affect him because I don't know what his license looks like, but it definitely will abstract to the Secretary of State. It won't carry any points, but it will abstract. So I don't know if it'll further push that year back or not. You want to take the deal, sir? $240.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
Do you want to go to the Secretary of State and see if you can find out how this will affect your license before you take this plea? I think he froze up.
Can you hear me now?
I can. You want to do that, Mr. Grover?
Yes.
All right, come back on pretrial date. Let's come back for SP 1809561. Come back on a pretrial date of November the 25th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. All right. I'll give you the opportunity to do that.
Okay.
You never did pay these other tickets off either.
What was that?
You owe 240, it's gone to 288 now. I'll bring you back down to the 240. You pled to a no ops and a license improper previously.
Correct, I did.
And then you owe some civil infractions as well. So you owe some money here. I'm gonna take the late fee off of the two that you pled to. I'll at least do that, but put a review date for 11/20/25, and I'll put allow payment plan as well, so you can try to get it to a payment plan or pay those off next time. Have them paid off by the time you come here.
All right.
All right, come back on the 25th, and best of luck to you.
All right.
Have a good rest of your day. All right.
You too.
All right. Okay, Brandon Lloyd. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Brandon Isaiah Lloyd, case number SP 1753586, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Howard S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lloyd.
Brandon Isaiah Lloyd.
All right, Mr. Lloyd, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Pass the matter. Mr. Roderick Green, he never. Yes, a phone. He has a phone. Same thing happened to him last time. Roger Green, he never did, this guy never did show up. I accidentally did that.
You got to just give him another date. Let me see if I can shut up. Well, I put him a regular benchmark, but he was about to get a case.
Yeah, no, that's the second time he's done it.
You just have to give him a regular benchmark. If he don't come, then he can take me. Age and name. It's really not that bad. We don't have nothing on the schedule for October, December. We just creepy.
I know, why don't we put him 2 weeks out? No, we're gonna get the stuff is gonna get old again. As long as we keep it within that 90 days.
We make cake is a lot more. Just clean cake.
I don't think that helps. So
That's not something wrong.
it starts to climb, but once it starts back, then it
That's
starts.
because if they come back to court, we can't stop them.
I know, but once it starts back, it starts from that day.
It's true.
So then
We
that's.
really not even, I don't even have this in December, really. Like, we look at your December, we still in November. We just started. We got that. But I know, honestly.
We spoke to Mr. Berry. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Trial date, Mr. Lloyd, is going to be December the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. December the 4th, 9 a.m. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Hold on, Ms. Harris has to come up. Before you leave, you had a date. He's gone.
Well, I can't say this. The afternoon, I'm doing 2 weeks out.
Mr. Gardner, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Okay, I'm going to set a pretrial date, Mr. Gardner, for November the 25th. That date is set just to make sure that that the attorney gets in contact with you. If that attorney does not contact you by that date, then we're going to get an attorney in here on the spot for you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. The 25th, what time? Same time?
25th at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of the calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Okay.